If you have never tried Dr. Pepper with the flavour profile of a vanilla float, then where have you been? Hello, welcome back to Doll Juice. Today we are going to unbox Barbie Extra number 17. Now this is not the most recent Barbies with the brand new revamped packaging like, the one here, which is number 20. So she's gorgeous. If you want to see an unboxing of her, then all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button and the bell so that you are alerted anytime I upload, and she will be uploaded to my channel very, very shortly. But today you have come here for a very different doll. So she is absolutely everything. She's got really long hair. The glare on this is unbelievable. She's got really long hair, and she has this amazing blue leopard, just, I don't know what you call that, whole tracksuit thing. It's just really, really cool. She comes with a bunch of accessories, which I really love the accessories for this doll. The glasses in the box, and the pet that she comes with, the cup, the cake for a handbag, and the pet's choker is just so adorable. I love that little love heart as well. And the new packaging, we don't have any of that sort of glitterati effect and everything, so this is going to be a collector's piece for me to keep. Maybe not necessarily for anybody else, but for me, I love to keep these little things as a note of nostalgia and memorabilia. Okay, so on the side of the packaging we can see that she has got an illustration of herself, of course, looking so cool and fabulous. This is Barbie Extra, and then her logo is like a plump love heart, and then at the bottom we have just a little picture of her pet. It actually is super, super adorable. And then on the back we have an illustration of her, along with other illustrations of all the accessories included within this, as well as a row of the dolls that have come in this wave. So currently I have unboxed this girl and this girl, so this girl will be next. I did her unboxing, but that was a personal one for me. I didn't actually upload that, but I would like to show you what I do with my Barbie extras and how they look once I have transmogrified them to something completely different for myself, which I love. So we're going to unbox her, and we're going to take a look at her in a little more detail. Okay, let's go, shall we? Okay, so let's start the unboxing. I have to admit, the only thing I don't like about them is just how it is to try and get into the packaging of these dolls. They are not easiest to unbox, but I do try my best. So I managed to keep the illustration, which is good. I want to keep this and put this in a folder or something, because it's worth keeping. We're not going to get this packaging anymore. It's just dead. Let me know what you feel about that. Do you like the new packaging? As I said, I've unboxed the Barbie Extra number 19 and number 18. So if you want to do that and see what they look like, then just go over to my channel and you can actually see all the videos that I've uploaded, and it will be there for you to watch. I'm going to try and keep a hold of this illustration though. Right, here she is. Wow, her hair looks so cool. But this is going to need a real boil wash because we've got a wee bit of a texture problem. Her hair does have a weird texture to it. Okay, not to mention, because it's been in the box, It is super static, which, you know, it's just one of those things, I guess. It's like a necessary evil that we need to deal with. Some evil is necessary to keep the good alive, because sometimes you have to fight evil with evil. And not necessarily evil just at their own game, but probably in a more strategic way. Because you're coming from a base place of love, right? And that's really how I would see it. It's the only way that I can see it. There's a lot of people as well who talk about heaven and hell. What if? What happens once you go? All of these things. And there are quite a few people who will tell me that nothing exists once you die. I'm sorry. For me, there really does have to be something left for when you die, because if there's nothing left, then what is the purpose of being good? And what is the purpose of doing anything right? You know, I don't understand. There needs to be some sort of reason. And if there's not, then why? Why is that the case? Because what about all the people who commit crimes, like really awful crimes? That there just has to be a special place in hell for people like that. Otherwise, what is the point? Personally, I would love to come back as a ghost and annoy the life out of people that have annoyed the life out of me. I wouldn't necessarily do anything, like, I wouldn't do anything to harm people. I would just freak them out a bit. That's all I would do. Oh, we've got a little book on here, I'll show you. Not the best. Okay. Well, oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. So I've just unboxed this, and her cup here, the label is just off there, so I'm just going to have to try and put that back where it should be. Okay, not done that the best. I don't like it when things like that happen. It's actually the first time I've had something like that happen. It's okay, I fixed it now though. It's her little cup. I love that. It's really adorable. Really cute. Nice colour. LOL OMG, like the LOL tots, like the cups that they come with, are actually a very good proportion as well for Barbie, but these are also quite good too. And this is the cake that she comes with. So just to show you, of course, these are the trio. So it's like lemon, I don't know, what would that be, like lemon, pistachio and mango or something. What a weird combination that would be. And it says Barbie extra on the back, and then she has this like little, it's supposed to look like a little chain, but it's actually plastic, but it's cool, it looks good, it works. And then we have our pet, and I wonder if you could use this for a kin, because it is pretty broad, like it's pretty round, but I wonder, do I have a kin? Actually, I do have a kin. I'm going to see if this works. It might not actually. I feel like his neck is way too broad for that to work. That's not to work on him. Let's see. Yeah. So this is the choker that you get that's supposed to go into the dog, right? And that is what it looks like. It's quite nice. It's like a back metal. And this is the pet that she comes with. Can't move its head or anything, but
yes,
I think it does need the choker though, just to add that little bit of extra, because without it, it does look kind of basic. That does look better. Yeah. Kind of feel like Barbie's gonna steal that though. Like she just will. And then she comes with those super glasses, which I really love these. It says extra, so extra. Really nice. They're not transparent though, they're opaque, but let's see. Yeah, I kind of could get away with that. Of course I could get away with that, but that would look really good. Right, so let's just look at her, shall we? Here she is. Just adorable, gorgeous. She's got like a multitude of necklaces on which don't need to be together at all. Like, these don't layer properly at all, that doesn't look right, but she does have a lot there. There is some of that sort of UV face paint in terms of you can see the shininess, but it doesn't bother me. When you're taking pictures you don't really see it, to be honest. She's this gorgeous headband which I absolutely love. And then just check out the length of her hair. Like, wow. Wow. Love that colour of hair. That's like how Rihanna used to wear her hair. I love that colour. Just phenomenal. And then she has this, and this is actually super soft, and it's lined. It's lined, guys, like, and from what I can, it's lined all the way through. And then she has this, which is really, really soft as well, coming on strong with this really good flash of pink right down the side. And then she has these high heel shoes. They're really cool. I love these shoes. They're nice and high. I love like Barbie to have. See if she's wearing heels. I kind of like her heels to be really big. I just really love it. So she does have little plastic stays in at the side of her jacket here, and I'm going to just stop them staying there. I'm going to cut them out, and it kind of leaves this look. So I don't like how that looks, but it leaves holes. It does leave a hole. I don't like that. No one likes that. Everyone complains about it, but in time it's not really going to be noticeable, to be honest. And in pictures, again, it's not going to be noticeable, so it's not a big deal. But let's take our jacket off and see what this looks like. So for me, this is a Barbie I would buy again. Just like do stuff with her hair, but use her accessories, because she comes with really great accessories. This is definitely one of the strong ones that they've come out with, of that sort of wave that came out before the packaging changed. Just for me personally, that's what I would do, because I think she's gorgeous, but the accessories and the skin tone, I could use that for a lot of dolls, to be honest. Yeah, so here she is. That is what it looks like without the jacket, and it still looks very, very good. I love how that looks. She is just really, really gorgeous. Gorgeous. To show you the jacket, it is fully lined. Fully lined all on the inside. So it's good. It's a lovely, lovely material. I would, if I had to purchase another Barbie extra again at sale price, I would definitely buy her. But I bought her at full price, and I'm not bothered, because to me she's kind of worth it. I'll really love the accessories and the jacket and the outfit she comes with. I love the colour of her hair. I think she's perfect. Really think she's perfect. Yeah, gorgeous. Okay, so that is her. For more footage and stuff like that, then just wait until the end of the video and you'll see much more after we've looked at her here. But you know, just phenomenal. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and again, comment below if there's something that you want to say about this video. Do you have her in your collection, or will you be buying her in your collection? Will you be adding her to your collection? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and peace out. Ciao.